What if I told you there's a way to buy promising new tokens before they even launch on Binance Spot without needing MetaMask or bridges? That's exactly what Binance Alpha lets you do. Today on CryptoNinjas, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use Binance Alpha, how to earn alpha points, and how to position yourself for airdrops and early gains, all directly inside your Binance app. If you're trading altcoins, make sure to use our referral code BBK640Y5 when signing up. You'll get 20% off trading fees and a $100 bonus after qualifying trades. Let's dive in. So, what is Binance Alpha? Binance Alpha is a feature built into the Binance app that gives you early access to Web3 tokens, often before they list on the main exchange. It's like a launchpad, but designed for retail users to test and explore early stage projects directly using your spot wallet. You don't need a separate wallet, no bridging, no complex UI. It's all native inside Binance. To access it, open the Binance app, go to Markets, and scroll down until you find the Alpha section. Here, you'll see a curated list of trending Web3 tokens that are currently active on Binance Alpha. Each one includes a short project intro, token details like total supply, trading pairs, and a trading interface. Yes, that's right. You can buy these tokens using USDT or BNB right inside Binance. Now, let's talk about Alpha Points. This is where it gets exciting. Alpha Points are a reward system that gives you exclusive benefits like 1. Priority access to airdrops, 2. Early token incentives, 3rd, and eligibility for campaign rewards. You earn Alpha Points in two main ways: by holding eligible assets in your Binance exchange or Binance keyless wallet. By trading Alpha tokens, only buy volume counts. But keep in mind, Alpha Points only count the nearest 15 days. So make sure to be active every day for maximum points. Let me walk you through how Alpha Point is calculated. Let's say day 1, you hold $500 on your Binance exchange and your Alpha token buy volume is $1,050. Then your balance point is 1. Your volume point is 10 for a total of 11 points. Let's say you keep the same balance and volume for 15 days. On day 15, you will have 165 points, but on day 16, you forget to trade Alpha token. So your balance point is still 1, but your volume point is now 0. And because the Alpha point resets after 15 days, now your total point on day 16 is 165 points. 11 points on day 1 plus 1 point on day 16 equals 155 points. Another thing to remember: if you spend 15 points to claim the Alpha airdrop, don't worry, you will get that 15 points back after 15 days. Now, let's talk risks. For Alpha points, if you don't calculate the trading fees, the Alpha points, and the airdrop point requirements, you might end up losing money. Here are my tips. Track the Alpha points you're earning. Currently, you need at least 200 points to join Alpha Airdrop or TGE, which means you need at least 14 points daily. You need 2 balance points and 13 volume points. In total, 15 points daily. You will spend around $30 after 15 days, but you will get 225 points. You can then participate in 3 Alpha airdrops, earning around $150 in total. That's $120 in profit in 15 days. Of course, you can scale it up by having more than one account. I personally have made more than $1,000 from Binance Alpha. Each month, I make around $300 to $400 in profit from one account. And you could too. For Alpha tokens, 1. Just because a token is listed in Binance Alpha doesn't mean it will moon or get listed on Binance Spot. 2. These are early stage tokens. Many are still building. So you'll want to treat this like high risk, high reward investing. From my experience, most of the Binance Alpha tokens all dumped heavily immediately after being listed, with some exceptions. If you want to trade, here's how to approach it smartly. 1. Start small. $5 to $20 per project is enough to test. 2. Diversify. Don't ape into just one token. Find the tokens with great team, good social sentiment, good products to buy. 3. Bottom forming. Check if that token's price has formed a good support, sideway bottom or not. If yes, they are likely to bounce back up. You can exit then. And most importantly, Do your own research. Binance gives you basic info, but always look deeper into the team, roadmap, tokenomics, and utility. So, to summarize, Binance Alpha is your gateway to early token opportunities, safer than random DEX launches, easier than bridging, and directly supported by Binance infrastructure. It's an amazing tool for anyone to earn money with Alpha points. If you're serious about catching the next gem before the hype, this is a tool you should be using. Now, if this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe to CryptoNinjas, and tell us in the comments which Alpha token you're watching right now. And remember, if you're signing up on Binance, use the referral code BBK640Y5. You'll get 20% off trading fees, a $100 bonus, and it helps support the channel too. I'm Daily with CryptoNinjas, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.